Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hope you're all doing good and enjoying the fall weather and staying safe. So today I'm going to use all the fall collection kitchen items and do a project with that. So the things that I'm going to use, they're all from Dollar Tree, of course. So these are the two pot holders and then one kitchen towel and dish drying mat. And I got this four bowl set. It's $1. It's also from Dollar Tree. So yeah, this is a cereal bowl, and I have a salad plate, and I have a dinner plate, and two of these buds, and some of the candle holders of different sizes. And I also need to use one button, and this is actually lying in my craft room, but these buttons are available in Dollar Tree also. I think I got this from Walmart. So I'm going to use one of this big button and one of the Dollar Tree pillow. So other than that, I'll be needing some glue gun, glue sticks, and my finger protector and scissor. And yeah, let's get started. Welcome back, you guys. These are the final result of all the projects using the kitchen set of fall print from Dollar Tree. So let me start with this tiered plate, and then this is actually one of the glass bowl set of 4, as attached to one of the glass bowl set as the base of the tiered plate, and I attached one of the dinner plate and one of the candle stand, the larger one, and I stuck the salad plate on the top. So this is how I'm going to decorate. You can put some party desserts or maybe like appetizers. This is how I'm going to decorate. And these are the 2 buds that I'm going to decorate. They're like 2 candle holders. I stuck one is like with a different height, so I can either decorate like and put candles in it, or maybe I'll put some party favors or maybe candies or chocolates. So yeah, this is how I converted this glass and a candle holder to look like this. So I'm very happy about this. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. And this is actually a salad bowl, and I attached again one of the glass bowl set on the bottom to just give the raised platform. And I wanted to put some party things on this one too. And the next one that I'm very excited about is one of the dish towel and one of the pot holders. I just pleated it according to the size of the pot holder, and then attached it. I hot glued it, but you can always stitch it. So I don't want the project to be longer, so I just hot glued it. And I also hot glued one of the button, and you can put it around your the fridge or maybe the stove, and you can use this as a dish towel. So yeah, this is one of the project I'm also very excited about. Let me know your thoughts on this. And this one is a dish drying towel which has already got foam on it. So what I did was I just stuffed some of the plastic stuffing that come in the packaging, and I created a pillow. So I thought of using one of the smaller pillows, but they are like not fitting into this. So I've stuffed some of the plastic stuffing that comes in a packaging, and I made a pillow out of this. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this as well. So yeah, these are the few things that I wanted to share and related to the fall kitchen stuff. And yeah, I'm very excited about this project, and I enjoyed working this project. I hope you also enjoyed working along with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and click on a bell icon for more updates on projects like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.